Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to spatchcock a chicken and then roast it to perfection. Let's get started. I have about 3 to 4 pound whole chicken here. First, I will cut off the tail of the chicken with my kitchen shears, and then I'll set the chicken breast side down on a cutting board, and then use my shears to begin cutting down one side of the spine through the ribs, and then repeat on the other side of the spine. You can save this for chicken stock or you can discard it. I'm going to use mine for chicken stock. I'll then cut off all the excess fat around the chicken, and then I'll use my knife to cut through the breastbone to firmly flatten the chicken. And this is how you spatchcock your chicken. Alright, so I'm ready to clean my chicken with lemon and vinegar. This is optional. You can also just wash your chicken with water. That's totally up to you how you want to wash your chicken. I'll give my chicken a first rinse, and then I'll pour about a half a cup of vinegar on the chicken. And then I'll squeeze some lemon on my chicken. I'll turn it over and then squeeze some more lemon on there. I'll give it a good wash. I like to wash under the wings of the chicken. I will give it one more rinse, and then I'll transfer it onto a paper towel lined tray to pat it down. Okay, just want to make sure I get all the excess liquid that's on the chicken, and I'm ready to season my chicken. For my herb and spices, I have fresh thyme, fresh ginger, fresh parsley, and fresh garlic. I also have paprika, Knoor chicken seasoning. I have chili powder, ground anise, onion powder, black pepper, rosemary, salt, and oil. I'll combine all my dry ingredients in a bowl, and then I'll add in my fresh parsley. I have about 8 spigs of thyme. I'll strip off my thyme leaves from the stem. I'll mince my garlic, and then I will grate my fresh ginger, and then I will drizzle about 3 tablespoons of oil to create a paste marinade. You can add more oil if you desire. You can also replace the fresh ingredients to dry ingredients if you prefer. I'll make sure the whole chicken is covered with the seasoning. So I'll turn the chicken over, and then I will season the breast of the chicken. I'll take about a tablespoon of the seasoning, and then I will lift up the skin. I'll insert some of the seasoning under the chicken skin, and then I'll begin to marinate every part of the whole chicken, especially under the skin of the thigh. You want to put some of the marinade in there, just like so. And guys, you can use this technique to roast your Thanksgiving turkey. Your turkey will be perfectly juicy, evenly cooked, super flavorful, and ready in less than 2.5 hours. I hope you give this a try. I'll cover, and then I'll allow this to refrigerate for about 2 hours. It's been about 2 hours, and I'm ready to bake my chicken. I'll be baking my chicken on a metal rack. I'll spray my rack to prevent the chicken from sticking to the rack, and then I'll place the chicken flat on top of the metal rack, breast side up, and I have some marinade left inside the bowl. I'll rub it right on top of the chicken, guys, and we are ready to put in the oven at 420 degrees for 1 hour, or until the chicken has an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees. Make sure to take the temperature at the thickest part of the chicken. It's been 1 hour already, and my chicken is ready to come out of the oven. And guys, my chicken came out beautiful. Look at how the marinade and everything is still sticking on the chicken. The taste, the aroma, everything was on point. I'll carefully transfer my chicken onto a platter, and there we have it. We have our spatchcock chicken, and I'm ready to enjoy this with some sauteed green beans and mushrooms. I'm ready to cut through the chicken for you guys to see the inside, and look at the breast of the chicken, guys. It is super moist, it is flavorful, and so delicious. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. And this is the inside of the chicken thigh. perfectly cooked, so delicious, guys. I hope you give this a try. And this is the fastest way to cook a whole chicken. Matter of fact, the best way. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate your support. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment. Hit that notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.